The 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to turn heads with its sleek, sculpted Kodo-designed language, brought to you by Berge Mazda. It features a bold front grille, refined LED headlights, and newly styled alloy wheels that add a sporty flair. Subtle chrome accents and available premium paint colors like Soul Red Crystal enhance its upscale appearance. Under the hood, the CX-5 offers a responsive 2.5-liter engine or an available turbocharged version for added power. The standard i-Activ all-wheel drive system provides confident traction in all conditions, while the tuned suspension delivers smooth, agile handling, perfect for both daily commutes and spirited weekend drives. The rear seats in the 2025 CX-5 offer generous legroom and comfort, with available heated rear seats and a center armrest with cup holders. The 40-20-40 split folding configuration adds flexibility for cargo and passengers alike, making it ideal for families and road trips. Inside, the CX-5 surrounds passengers with high-quality materials and a minimalist, driver-focused layout. Available features like leather-trimmed seats, a power moonroof, and ambient lighting elevate the premium feel. Quiet cabin design ensures a peaceful ride at any speed. Mazda's i-Activ Sense suite comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. These features work together to keep you protected and confident behind the wheel. With features like a power liftgate, keyless entry, dual-zone climate control, and an available head-up display, the CX-5 is designed to simplify everyday driving. Rear seat air vents and multiple USB ports ensure all passengers stay comfortable and connected. A 10.25-inch infotainment display comes standard, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims add wireless smartphone charging, a 10-speaker Bose audio system, and Mazda connected services for remote access to vehicle functions via smartphone app. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 blends style, performance, and premium features in a compact SUV package. With its dynamic driving experience, upscale interior, and advanced safety tech, it remains a top pick for those seeking refined versatility in a daily driver. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com. Give us a call at 480-498-5614 or visit our showroom today.